Hi everyone, Boxed here. Welcome to episode 6 of my Ultimate Studio build. This was going to be the big reveal. It's not quite finished yet and this is still work in progress, so bear that in mind. This is the first setup. Let's go and have a look. Right, here we go. We've got the staircase. I'm in the dining room at the moment, but it's a bit of a mess, so I won't show you that this time. You'll see that in the next vid. Just here though, you can see the cupboard under the stairs, which blends in nicely with the stairs where the coats and shoes are. I'm just gonna show you the stairs now that you can see have been painted wood and white to match the other stairs. You've got the lights in up there. And I'll do another video at night time because actually it looks really nice with the lights. And then as you come up here we go, the big reveal. Boom, have it. There's the PC. I'm gonna go straight in and just give you a rundown of the setup. Currently set up for racing, as you can see. So starting with the PC, this is my baby with big Toro guarding it. Cooler Master C700P case with the tinted glass. The Corsair fans, ML120 magnetic levitation. This is actually my work laptop. I'll just close that, move my phone, and I'll be able to open this and show you inside. So you've got the G.Skill 32 gig of 3200 megahertz RAM. You've got the Corsair H100i cooler, cooling the i9-9900K from Intel. There's the Aorus all-in-one water-cooled 2080 Ti. And if I move down here, you can see the Creative Sound Blaster and the Aorus 1TB drive underneath. NVMe, really fast. All that on an Aorus Master motherboard. There's also a Samsung 970 Evo Plus in there, but you can't see it. So if I come out of here, moving across, we've got the Bowers & Wilkins desktop speakers, the Zowie Bungee, which I don't really need because I've got a wireless mouse, the Logitech G Pro Wireless. On the SteelSeries Howl Edition mouse mat or gaming surface. My beloved Acer Predator X34P. 34-inch ultra wide, 3440 by 1440 res. The Rode NT USB microphone. Now this is pretty cool. So this is the light that I use. Instead of the Elgato key light, I bought this one from Amazon, which was about £50 I think. The one from Elgato is 180 with the stand, and it does the job. It's a really nice light, not intrusive, doesn't hurt your eyes, but gives some good lighting and makes the quality of the webcam a lot better. This is a C922 webcam. Okay, and then here you can see my keyboard, which is a Black Widow V2 from Razer, and I've installed their PBT keycaps on it. One of the things I really like about this keyboard is there's a USB pass-through and 3mm jack pass-through, so I have my headphones plugged into this and I have the wireless dongle for the mouse plugged into it, so that it's right next to it and there isn't too much distance. And it means I don't have to keep plugging it in and unplugging it all the time every time I want to charge it. If I want to charge, I can just plug it into that. This is the new addition, the monitor that my work kindly donated. 27-inch 1440p 60Hz monitor from Dell, which I've got vertical, and it's going to be wicked for reading Twitch chat. I also use it for my email. You can fit a lot of emails on there when it's vertical. Around there is the Razer Nari Ultimate on the Razer stand with chroma and USB ports, which actually come in really handy. I'll just move this out of the way. My Save the Ocean bottle for hydration and Fanatic cup for tea. The G27 steering wheel from Logitech, and I've just mounted this on a GT Omega stand, which is really sturdy. As you can see, next thing I need to do is cable management because it's a mess under there. This is the walnut worktop. Sanded it down 4 times with different grits, getting finer and finer. Then varnished it 4 times and sanded it after each layer of varnish. Really nice solid walnut worktop that is. On the IKEA Alex cupboards. GT Omega chair. And this is a nice racing setup. And I'm going to do a race day stream today. Just a few other bits, so I actually need to tidy this up a bit. But there's the signed Arsenal shirt from the double 71 winning team that featured in the old office. Down here, there you can see Mrs. B's workspace. She's got her own desk, drawers, and works from a very small surface. She prefers doing things in a smaller, lighter way to me. This is a present I got for Mrs. B, a map of the world. And we need to actually get some more of these magnets because we have been to more places than London, I promise. And I think that's it for now, guys. We've got the LED lights up there, which go all the way around like this. So we've got them pointed at Mrs. B's desk, the map of the world, the Arsenal photo, and then my desk. So there you have it, there's the big reveal. Still lots of work to do, still work in progress, but I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the stream for race day. Catch you later guys, bye for now.